Grok is not free anymore, so I found a way to use Veo 3 and Seedance 1.5 completely free and unlimited. And if you are active on the internet, you already know how powerful these models are. They can generate high-quality cinematic videos, realistic scenes, and advanced AI content in just a few minutes. Before I explain anything, watch this.
Keep moving, don't stop! We have to find shelter before the next blast.
Because the video you just saw wasn't filmed, it was fully created by AI. And no, I didn't pay for an expensive AI subscription to make it. In fact, everything you're about to see was created using tools that are available right now, and you can use them too. And the crazy part that make this video special is it's all free. Today, you'll discover two powerful platforms that allow you to generate professional quality videos in high resolution without paying for expensive subscriptions. If you want to start creating AI content on any platform but don't want to pay for costly subscriptions, this video is for you. So, you should pay very close attention, and now without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The first tool I am going to show you is the Jiny Enterprises. I'll provide you the link in the description. Click on that link and you will land here. On the top right corner, you can see the Get Started option. Click on it and it will ask for an email address. The best part here is you can use the temporary mail here for signing up. Go to Temp Mail and generate a temporary email from here. Then copy it and come back to the Jiny Enterprises and paste the link in here and then click on this Continue option. Now it is asking for a verification code. So go back to the Temp Mail and you can see you have got a code from Jiny Enterprises. Copy the code and then paste it into the Jiny Enterprise. Now after verification, you will successfully enter in this tool. Now let's start generating videos. On the main prompt box you will see Tools option. Click on it and you will see the option of creating videos with Veo 3. Click on it and you can also convert images into videos for free. Enter any prompt in here related to the idea in your mind and then just hit send. After processing, we get this result.
It's time to wake up, sweetie.
The truth is that it has a lot of details. When we analyze the video carefully, we can see its high quality and highly peaked textures. With this, we can really start making professional videos, either for personal or professional projects. Now let's try another example. For example, asking for a 4K cinematic shot of a young couple arguing in English in the kitchen in the morning, including lighting, camera movement, and environment. After processing, we get a scene.
Why do you always do this? It's not fair!
Resolve phosphorus.
I'm tired of having the same fight over and over.
Where not only the visual details are respected, but also the emotional tone of the dialogue. This model understands emotions, expressions, and context very well. The reason behind signing up with a temp mail is that it offers free credits on every sign up, so when this temp mail will be out of credits, you can sign up again with another temporary email, so you will get more free credits, and that is how it becomes unlimited. Now let's move on to the second tool, that is BytePlus. You will find the link of this tool in the description, or otherwise just search on browser for it. Now sign up on this platform using your email ID. When you sign up, it will ask for your information. Since it is a professional tool, that is why it is asking for it. The trick to avoid this is to click on the BytePlus here again and you will redirect to the BytePlus page, but at this time you will have signed up. Now click on this product option here, and from here, we can use their most powerful model, Seedance. Now you will see the Start for Free button here. Click on it and you will land here. At the top right corner, you will see a gallery option. Click on it and you will land on this generation page. From here you can select the ByteDance most powerful version, Seedance 1.5 Pro. Now let's test it with a serial example. Enter a prompt in the text prompt box here. You can see that you can also make frame-to-frame videos from here. Click on this and you can see too many options for ratio. I am selecting 16:9. Then select the resolution from here. You can also have the 1080p quality. Then select the video duration from here. Then set the output quantity of the results. Now after entering the prompt, click on Send. After processing, we get generated result. The result is surprisingly good, both visually and in terms of audio synchronization. This platform allows you to adjust quality, resolution, aspect ratio, number of generated videos, and duration. You can generate videos in HD or Full HD, and control how many videos are generated per prompt. And once you will reach the generation credits limit, you can just switch the model from here, so you will get your new credits on the same account. So, you can also make videos for free from this platform. So yeah, that is it for today's video. You guys should go and try these tools on your own cause these tools lets you generate videos for free and literally unlimitedly. And their results are just too good and professional at the same time. So from now and on you don't need to worry about the expensive subscriptions and plans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.